Hey guys, it's Francis Martinez, and today I'm going to show you a fire alarm trigger video. And this one is a BG12, model BG12. And this is what I got for Christmas, 2016 Christmas. So it says push in, pull down. And when they mean by that, you push like this, you push, and then you pull down like this. Push, pull down. And it'll say activating, meaning the alarm is activated until it shows these two volume signs, meaning maybe that it's loud or something. As you can see, there's a little switch. I keep coming off. Okay. As you can see, there's a little switch. So this is normal. This, when you push it up, it's normal. When you push it down, it's activated. That's how they work. So if I want to pull the fire alarm, I just push it in and pull it down. And then it'll say activated. And then the thing will say activated, and I'll put it back to normal. And the alarm will stop. And I just lock it in with this. And then it's locked in. I can't open it. So I push in, pull down, unlock it. Switch the
¿Y eso, huevo Francisco, mételo para ti?
And then I put it back to its locking position. Now I can't open it. And also there's some little wires. That's where it connects to here. And I believe let me take it out. You see this part? And then this part, like this black part, it goes to the switch. It's like, okay, for example, if it's connected to a wall, into a fire alarm, and then this part is connected to the switch, and that's how it activates. So, for example, if I pull the fire alarm, and then if it activates, this part is connected to here, and then a switch, and then the switch, and this part goes up to the wall, and it connects to the alarm, like the alarm. And then it starts making the beep, beep, beep sounds. And that's all for now, folks. See you guys next time, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.